Mist invented wireless SLEs, service level expectations based on the user's experience. Now that we are a Juniper company, it makes sense that we would expand this capability into the wired world. Juniper switches can now be added to the inventory page just like Mist APs. So now we can see exactly what's going on with the switches. Switch affinity, PoE compliance, VLANs, version compliance, switch uptime, and for the first time we can click into a switch and actually see what's going on. What ports have clients connected, what ports have PoE, bytes, errors, and power draw. We are able to see the switch and port level. And if you needed to, you could use the web shell to enter the switch-specific commands as needed. We can also now see wired clients from the Mist cloud, whether laptops, IoT devices, cameras, or Mist APs. We have also added wired SLEs, but the throughput SLE will take into account switch congestion and interface errors and take into account what that impact is on the user experience. This is built into the Mist dashboard and is a game changer. The next evolution for Marvis is wired. Now the proven Mist AI engine can use the input from switches as well as the APs to show you exactly what's going on in your network. You can list the wired clients at a site. Marvis Actions takes out the troubleshooting step and just provides solutions. Some of our largest customers told us the biggest problems they had were bad Ethernet cables or new devices negotiating to the wrong port speed. That is exactly what we designed Marvis Actions to do. It can even run the cable test for you if you want. Wired Assurance is bringing the Juniper EX switches to the Mist dashboard and leveraging the power of Mist AI to solve wired problems. Welcome to the AI-driven enterprise.